Hi YouTube. Okay, I've got something exciting to show you today. I've received my November order for doTERRA. This is a loyalty rewards order too, so I know I've got a freebie in here as well. So here it is. So the November order, we had our Christmas catalogue released this month, which meant that I could order a few bits and pieces from the Christmas catalogue. Had to get in quick though, because everything started selling out really quickly. So luckily I did get most of the things I wanted. There were a few things that already sold out and I couldn't get hold of those. So hoping next month they restock us a bit. So let's have a look. I love getting these little parcels because there's always a couple of things that I do forget about that I've ordered. So what have I got this time? So I'm going to go through all of the things that I've ordered and tell you a little bit about each one as well. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Wow. Okay, first thing I see, and this is super exciting, and I managed to get one of these before they all sold out. So this is the Brevi diffuser. So the Brevi diffuser is a special edition one. From doTERRA. So it says it goes 5 hours continuously and 10 hours intermittently. So that's awesome. That actually goes longer than the pedal diffuser, which is the other one, which is the regular diffuser that doTERRA have. This was a special Christmas catalogue item, and it does say it actually comes with a free harvest spice essential oil as well. So I don't know whether that's in the box or it's somewhere in here. So I'll leave it in the box for now because I actually bought it as a gift. I'm still not sure if I'm going to give it as a gift or keep it for myself. So I might see how I feel about that, but I'm dying to open it and see what that one looks like. Next I have another item from the Christmas catalogue, which is the bamboo stacker straws. So these are pretty cool. I think I might even keep this one in the kitchen. The nice white colour matches the kitchen. I will open this one because this is something that I actually did buy for myself. So I'm safe to open this out of the plastic. Let's have a look. I think these ones did sell out fairly quickly as well. The lid. Oh, wow, this is interesting. It's almost like a jewellery box. So you can see it's got all these different sections. So I'm guessing these sections are for the rollers. So when you get your 10ml roller bottles, and you can fit them in there. I'm cutting myself. I'm trying to get into it. So that's that part of it. And then I guess this is where you're going to put all your 15ml bottles just inside all of there, and then this can stack on top, and then you've got the lid as well. It's nice actually, nice little doTERRA O on there, and that just stacks on top. Very cute little box, very pleased with that one. Ooh, what else have I got in here? So the rest of the stuff I think is just available in the normal back office. So if you have a doTERRA account, you can access these things through your doTERRA account. If you don't have a doTERRA account, please get in touch with me and I can help you out. If you click the link below this YouTube video, there'll be a link to where you can contact me through doTERRA. So this is one of my absolute favorite body butters. So this is the Spa range. It smells amazing. I think I ordered one of these last month as well. But yeah, they're absolutely beautiful, and I use them so much, especially in summer when you're trying to keep your skin hydrated. So beautiful body butter, which has wild orange, sweet almond, shea butter, Douglas fir, frankincense, so many good things in there, so it smells delicious. I also got this as well. This is one that I regularly get. It's the hand and body lotion. It is unscented, so you can actually add your essential oils. So I usually just put a bit in my hand, add a couple of drops of whichever essential oil I need. So for example, during the day or in the mornings, I might put in something like grapefruit, which is good for cellulite. Cedarwood is really nice for skin as well, especially after shaving. You could use some cedarwood to calm your skin. Lavender as well, very calming on the skin, and a nice one to add in your moisturizer before bed. Lavender Peace as well, it's one of doTERRA's blends, but I find using it with the moisturizer before bed is amazing. I got some of the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. So this one is amazing. It's basically a highly concentrated cleaner made with, in this bottle, it has one whole bottle of On Guard essential oil, as well as some other ingredients, all natural ingredients that can clean bathrooms, kitchens, sinks, toilets. You could you could leave one next to your toilet, squirt it in your toilet, give it a scrub. You could leave one in the kitchen for cleaning down the kitchen benches. You can actually make your own spray bottles as well. So one of these would make up, I think it's something like 20 spray bottles. So when you think of it in economical ways as well, it's actually, you work out a lot better off in the long run buying one of these and making your own cleaning sprays. You can also wash dishes with it as well. So super handy, so I've got one of those. This is Easy Air. Easy Air is something I use a lot because I do suffer from allergies. If I get a cold or something like that, Easy Air is something that really helps me. It's basically a natural Vicks. So Vicks Vapor Rub is actually comes from, it's petroleum derived. Whereas Easy Air is all natural ingredients, so completely safe to use on yourself or your kids. So I love having one of these available to me all times so that I can sleep easy at night and breathe easy. Okay, what else have I got in here? Oh my gosh, excited about this one. This is Lemon Myrtle. So this was brought out with the Christmas catalog as well. I think they may release it as an oil that you can access at any time. But yeah, Lemon Myrtle, it smells like lollies, I think. So yeah, it smells like lemon lollies. But yeah, absolutely beautiful smell, great for diffusing, very cleansing, great for cleaning. It's all really good for throat, calming and soothing for your throat. So you could even, with this one, you can ingest it as well. So I could use this in, say, a cup of warm water with some honey, and it'd be really super soothing if you had a sore throat. Very antifungal as well, good for skin. This was the freebie this month, Holiday Joy. So Holiday Joy is the Christmas blend. It literally smells like Christmas in a bottle. I got this one for free this month because I participate in Loyalty Rewards program, which is where you order, if you order over 125 PV, which is points volume, so each of these products have points. When you order over 125 points, you actually get a free oil or a free product to the month, and this month it was the Holiday Joy, so I was super excited about that one because one of my favorites, and it only comes out this time of year. Here. Oh, here it is. This is Harvest Spice. So this is the one that came free with the Brevi diffuser. So it was a special. So you got the Brevi diffuser and the Harvest Spice together. I think it was something like $65 Australian when you have a wholesale account. So super good value to get a 15ml full-size bottle and the diffuser. I'm really happy with that one. Oh, I want to smell it. I haven't even smelled this before. So it says it's the Gathering Blend. It has cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus, cedarwood, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So yeah, that's beautiful. Very similar to the Holiday Joy as well. So quite Christmassy as well. So I really like that one. Next, I have a bottle of doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. So this is the liquid coconut oil, which you can use making up roller bottles, making up body oils, face oils. I also use this as a eye makeup remover. So just by itself, you can just put some on a cotton pad and remove eye makeup. So really handy to always have a bottle of one of those. can't even remember what I got. Holiday Peace. Okay, got a little excited about the whole Christmas oils this month. Holiday Peace is beautiful. It's more of a woody, fresh smelling oil. So it has Siberian fir, grapefruit, Douglas fir, Himalayan fir, frankincense and vetiver. I like to diffuse that one at night because it's very calming and grounding as well. This oil next is patchouli. So patchouli, I actually have not had in my collection before, and a friend of mine could not believe that I hadn't had patchouli yet. She swears by it. So really calming, really grounding. I think it's the oil for your root chakra. So really good for helping balance out your chakras. It was actually known as the hippie oil back in the day. I think something to do with disguising smells and using as deodorant, things like that. So patchouli, I'm really excited to work this into my routine and use this in different ways. I know it's also really good for skin as well, so probably one I might mix with my moisturizer, unscented moisturizer, and try that. And last but not least, I have doTERRA On Guard toothpaste. So the On Guard toothpaste, I absolutely love. I ran out of it recently, and I had to get a one from the supermarket. It was still a herbal one, so it wasn't, I knew it didn't have too many nasties in it, but just the difference in going from using that one to the On Guard, you can really feel how much more cleansing this one is. My teeth actually felt clean after using this. It's probably the best natural toothpaste that I've found that actually leaves your teeth feeling clean, and I find it whitening as well. So it's kind of a different taste. If you're only used to minty ones, it might take a while to get used to because it does have sort of a cinnamon, citrusy taste to it. But yeah, I absolutely love it. There is a minty taste in it as well, but you can definitely taste the cinnamon. So that is it. So that's my order for this month. I'm so excited to fill up my stacker box full of all my oils. Decide whether or not I'm going to hang on to the Brevi diffuser for myself or maybe give it to somebody. Probably should give it to somebody. But yeah, hopefully they'll bring out more next month and I might stock up on some more. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about any of the products that I've gone through today, or any questions about doTERRA, how you could start getting free oils with these orders as well, just reach out, contact me. I do have the links below this video. Also, if you do have any questions about doTERRA as a business as well, I actually do doTERRA as a business, and so yeah, you're welcome to reach out about that. I would love to have you on my team if you are interested in building doTERRA as a business too. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you on the next video, so my December order, and hopefully I'll be posting a few more videos in between, so stick around, and yeah, I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.